Hi, I'm Dr. Suachla, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. What is ulcerative colitis and does it have an effect on fertility is the topic for today. Ulcerative colitis or UC is a chronic inflammatory bowel disease called as IBD that affects the colon and rectum. It is characterized by periods of flare-up and remissions. While ulcerative colitis primarily impacts gastrointestinal health, it can also affect other aspects of life, including fertility. So, we are first going to talk about the pathophysiology of this disorder. UC or ulcerative colitis involves inflammation and ulceration of the mucosal layer of the colon. The inflammation begins in the rectum and extends proximally in a continuous manner. The exact cause is unknown, but it is believed to result from an inappropriate immune system or inappropriate immune response in genetically predisposed individuals. Means you already had a predisposition for that, influenced by environmental factors. So what are the symptoms? How do you know? These are just symptoms, but it has to be diagnosed with a lot more procedures. But let's talk about the symptoms. Diarrhea, often bloody also, abdominal pain and cramping, rectal bleeding, urgency to defecate, fatigue, weight loss, all these are symptoms. It can have an effect on fertility. In women, the active disease, particularly during flare-up, can reduce fertility. Inflammation, malnutrition, and systemic illness can disrupt menstrual cycles and ovulation. Certain medications used to manage this problem, such as methotrexate, can negatively impact fertility. Methotrexate is contraindicated in pregnancy due to its teratogenic effects. Other medications like corticosteroids and biologics generally do not have a direct adverse effect on fertility, but their safety profiles should be reviewed with a qualified healthcare clinician. There are some surgical interventions also. Colectomy, iliac pouch are some of them. Anal anastomosis also can be performed. Surgery is a treatment option for severe UC. Women who undergo iliac pouch anal anastomosis may experience reduced fertility post-surgery. This is likely due to pelvic adhesions and altered pelvic anatomy. Then there is proctocolectomy also. This surgery involves the removal of the colon and rectum, potentially affecting fertility due to similar reasons as the previous surgery. Then hormonal and menstrual irregularities are also there. Chronic inflammation and the physical and emotional stress of this problem can lead to irregular menstrual cycles or anovulation and reduced fertility. Women with well-controlled UC can have normal pregnancies. However, active disease during conception and pregnancy can increase the risk of adverse outcomes such as preterm birth, low birth weight, etc. Also miscarriage. Let's look at the impact of ulcerative colitis in men. Certain medications, particularly sulfasalazine, can impair male infertility by reducing sperm count and motility. This effect is reversible upon discontinuation of the medication. Then also certain medications used in the management of UC have been associated with altered sperm morphology and motility but do not necessarily reduce fertility. These are ethiopiprine and 6-mercaptopurine. Similar to women, surgical treatments for UC, particularly those involving the pelvic area, can lead to complications that may cause fertility issues. Now, for instance, pelvic adhesions from surgery can impact the seminal vesicles and vas deferens. So these are complications. General health and sexual function also can be affected. Chronic illness and associated symptoms such as fatigue, pain, psychological stress can reduce sexual drive and performance and indirectly affect fertility. So what are the management strategies? There are some preconception counseling sessions that the patient should have. Patients with UC should seek preconception counseling to ensure optimal disease control before attempting to conceive. This includes medication review and adjustment if necessary. During pregnancy also this is important. It's crucial to maintain disease remission during pregnancy. Safe medication options should be discussed with the healthcare providers to balance disease control and fetal safety. Fertility preservation is also an option for patients needing surgery or potentially gonadotoxic medications are given. Fertility preservation options such as sperm banking or egg embryo freezing should be considered. So, the multidisciplinary care involving gastroenterologists, obstetricians and fertility specialists can optimize outcomes for patients with UC who are planning to conceive. To know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. A lot of effort has gone into making this video. Please like and subscribe us. Thank you.